welcome to my channel. Look, it's one of those boxes again. Yeah, I know. I have a few of these and I still have more in the background coming through. Alright, all I did was pre-slice the plastic wrap. To make it a little bit quicker. This is, as you can see from the painting, is a bald eagle. This is Handsome Bird. This has been in the catalogue for a while. Kit and Caboodle. Alright. This is, let me just lie that down. This is round. It's got just the one AB. Sorry, I'm always looking for the sneaky ones that they put into the middle. It is 51 by 76. There's 6-placer at the back. And flip it over. There are 2 hearts in here. There's bags. There's squishy. There's the pen, and there's the boat. What are we looking at? 46 colours in this. Lots of purples, lots of blues. Love the colours of this, and I cannot think of the artist right now off the top of my head. Don't need that bit. That is the 9-step instructions. I'm hoping the artist might be in the bottom corner of this, but we'll see how we go. Might be the Russian dude. Nearly there. No details. Okay, let me quickly jump onto DAC. It is a Maria Gubar. Sorry. That I couldn't remember. I didn't want to say it out of turn. Oh wow. Look at that face. Hang on, let me see what you're seeing and make sure you're actually seeing it. Look at that face. Seriously, that's all kinds of awesome. Oh, no wonder it's called Handsome Bird. I think I've only seen one other unboxing of this baby. But look at that. The eye and the graduation of the colours. A lot of colour blocking in this. If you're a colour blocking person, you will be quite happy. But then this is long lines. They're not confetti, but they are long lines. It does get a bit busy. Alright, so we are looking at number 1 being a blue AB, and number 1 is up here in those 4 squares. So there's 4, then there's a stagger of another colour, then there's another 4 in the squares. 1 is also around like a halo around the eagle's head. All around the outside of the beak. Around here in the swirl. There's ones here. There's ones here in the cheek kind of feathers or neck feathers. There's ones here in the ruff. So around the top of the head. Where did you stop, birdie? Sorry, blocking cameras. Around the top of the head, then it stops. There's some scattered here in 4s. There's some in here in the crest. So it's going to be kind of highlighting the turquoise, I think. Turquoise, if you want to call it that. And then there's some here. I did like this. This is it's a traditional Native Indian, Native American, kind of design. So these blues here and the turquoise here in the cape, and then you've got blues through the feathers, and then you've got the halo around here, and then some spots in the highlight up here in the head. Alright, let's take a look at the drills. This is numbered for the middle of last year, so it's been around a while. not overly long, but I haven't seen many people doing it, to be honest. I suppose it's a little bit specialist, you know. It would maybe appeal to some of the guys out there, being the American Eagle, and given how powerful an image it is. So yeah, one of the older bags, 310, out in its lonesome, and I'll show you the rest. Okay. So there's another 310. Maybe it just got torn open. This one is a little bit torn, so be careful, and I'll stop tossing them around like they're strong as anything. 814, which is a burgundy. Now 995, that is your strong blue. There is some tape around there where it's torn open and somebody has tried to patch them together. So there are 4 bags of 995. 3865, which is your off-white. 550, which is your purple. And 820, which is a dark blue. Okay, I will pack these up because I'm a bit wary of tossing them around too much. So I will pop those just there. Alright, now the next lot, we've got 939, which is your dark blue. 795, which is your royal blue. Lots and lots of blues in the top of this. 322, a blue, like my nails, going into the jade. There is the minty kind of green, 775. 799, which is another blue. 823, which is a navy. 3843, which is kind of getting into your tealy kind of blue-green. 208, your lilac. Here's your AB. Oh, look at all that AB. That is gorgeous. My gosh, it's the color of my nails. 138, if you want to get your nails done. 138. Oh dear, it really is the exact same color as my nails. It's hilarious. There's a little bit of swarf coming off the AB coating that I can see in the bag. It's fairly normal. I've seen it coming off Tina's as well when Tina sells her ABs. So yeah, 138 is your AB, which is, yeah, it's beautiful. It's a true to color AB, so it's just going to give you the shine on the turquoise. Some of the AB coatings actually change the color of the drill. So your black will go to blue-green. This is one of the true color AB glows. Okay. 558 is a pale green. 321 is a red. 340 is your purple. 333 is another darker purple with the next door neighbor. 917 is your cerise pink. 312 is your dark blue. 327 is a purple with its next door neighbor playing. 601 is a pink. 318 is a grey with its next door neighbor. 3846, which is another turquoise. Hang on. Note they're different. 209 is your lilac. I was going to say, hang on, that's not everything. But wait, there's more. Okay, where are we going? This way. Nope. This way. Alright, 602. So we're going from biggest to smallest. 602 is your pink. 803, which is a navy. 3853, which is an orange brown. 797, which is blue. 600, which is a dark pink with... Okay, there's a drill in here. It's not an AB. There's a drill in here with white and pink on it, which is kind of cool. 498 is a dark red with the next door neighbor. 435, which is brown. 434, which is a darker brown orange. 3811, which is kind of like your minty green with another neighbor. All the neighbors are playing together. 815, which is a dark red. 436, which is a browny orange. 3854, which is more orange. 666, token reds, which are going to be probably in the cloak or the cushion down at that bottom left corner of Birdie Num Nums there. $7.98, which is your blue. $7.58, which is a pale kind of peach. $5.97, which is another teal. $9.56, which is a pink. $8.90, which is tokens of the dark greens, I think in the cape. $7.99, which is brown, and $414, yes, is your greys, dark grey. All right, fold those up, little hand, and there is your colours all together. Aren't they gorgeous? So tons and tons of blue. I mean, there's 4 huge bags, and then there's even more blues. Yeah, all the blues. That is gorgeous. Round. The drills look fine. The drills look perfect. I will be just a second. I'll put these back in the bag. Handsome bird, Maria Gubar. She does a whole load of different artwork that we all love, or maybe you don't love, but you know, anyway, it's Maria Gubar. She's very good. This is your traditional American bald eagle. If you would like to have an image that's like this, that is more masculine, that you know, maybe your man will actually do on a diamond art club piece. It's round, so he's going to enjoy it, I would imagine. They're easy, they're quick. It is big, yes, but it's not a girly image that hopefully will, you know, put a guy off doing the image on. I think Jeremy has this. He's very much supporting the guy-orientated diamond paintings. I don't know if I have seen if David has got one from Diamond Painting with Dave. But yeah, if you'd like to get your partner involved in this, this is certainly one of those kits that you could do that in. If you're interested in seeing any of my other Diamond Art Club paintings, there is a Diamond Art Club playlist that will be at the end. There is also a non-Diamond Art Club playlist if you would like to check that out and see, hey, what's out there that's not Diamond Art Club. Please go and check that out. As always, please click like if you've enjoyed this video, subscribe if you are not already a subscriber, and drop me a comment. I love your comments. Let me know if this is something that either you would like to do or you might get your partner involved in. You know, twist their arm, dare them, get anything to get them started, and they might enjoy it. And yeah, it's okay, it's got a couple of purples in there, but there's not many. They might enjoy them. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye for now. May the road rise up to meet you. May the wind be always at your back. May the sun shine warm upon your face, and the rain fall soft upon your fields. And until we meet again, may God hold you in the palm of his hand.